stocks, chances are you are not. You're starting with too little money, and it's extremely hard to even have a chance of profiting if you're trading with such a small account. Recommended is usually about $5,000 to $10,000. You can get a decent size in the stock, and so if you don't have that much money, I would say you know what, hustle hard and try to save up that much before you start trading, and yeah, start doing some paper trades in the meantime when you're building up your equity in the stocks. Uh, do some paper trading, and hopefully by the time you have enough money, $5,000, $10,000, you will have a decent sized account to trade with. Next is you are not placing stops properly. A big reason why so many traders lose money is because they don't understand proper stop placement. When they're placing stops based on greed rather than what's best for the trade. So if you're placing the stops too tight, chances are you will get stopped out. Um, so stops should be placed based on support and resistances. They shouldn't be placed a random stop. If you're placing, if you can narrow it down from a daily to an hourly chart and try to figure out where the support or resistance is on an hourly chart and trade based on there, but don't have an arbitrary stop because chances are you will either get stopped out too much or stop that you will get other stop when you do get hit, you're gonna demolish your account. Next is you're not patient enough. I like to think of patience as the best way to understand is a disciplined trader. We are told from when you're kids that we need patience and taught all the value being patient bring us. Um, but chances are once we become adult, we are not so patient anymore. Well, the answer is simple. As you probably know, we want to make money fast. And you just want to go make trades left, right, and center. Instead, once again, less is more when you're trading. So you want to find the low hanging fruit trades which are extremely right for the picking, and then you go for it. Um, Next is you're not disciplined enough. I mean, this point is pretty self-explanatory, and I did speak on it just now a bit too. But the stress is importance is um, how can you possibly expect to make money trading if you're an undisciplined trader? Which means that if you're not following a trading strategy or trading plan that you have, if you don't follow it, or if your risk metrics, your risk management, how the hell are you going to make any money? Right? You need to be disciplined enough to follow that trading plan. Last but not the least is you do not know what you're doing. That is generally the case with most of the new traders. Uh, and how can you expect to make any money trading if you don't have a clue? You don't have a trading plan. You don't have a trading strategy. You don't know where to put your stops. So if you need help with any of that, making a trading plan, give me a shout. Follow me on Twitter or StockTwits. If you like this video, go and subscribe and like the video. Thank you.